Organomation has been manufacturing nitrogen evaporators to meet sample preparation needs for over 60 years. This includes unheated microvaps, which are designed for small batch evaporation at ambient temperatures. The evaporation process is initiated by dental nitrogen blowdown, which protects the integrity of small or sensitive samples. The unheated microvap is one of Organomation's most affordable evaporators. Its compact design makes it ideal for labs with minimal benchtop or fume room space. There are models available for 96 well microplates, 15 test tubes, or 24 test tubes. Organomation also offers conversion kits, which allow the user to easily switch between models. The kit includes an interchangeable manifold and sample block to accommodate another sample array. The test tube microvap models will include either an aluminum block or inserts customized to a specific tube size. Organomation also has custom racks as an alternative to the aluminum blocks. The racks allow for better visibility of the samples throughout the evaporation process, which can prevent over-drying. Unheated microvaps are also preferred for their simplicity and ease of use. The gas distribution manifold moves up and down as a complete unit to easily start and stop the evaporation process. There is also a toggle switch on the top of the manifold which stops the gas flow to all positions. The flow meter allows the user to easily adjust the flow of nitrogen entering the system. Organomation stands behind its quality, which is why when you purchase any microvap model, it comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime product support. If you have any questions, please reach out to sales@organomation.com or call us at 978-838-7300 to speak to one of Organomation's sales technicians.